to Buse's question. I don't know, Buse, did you solve your problem? Actually, you asked a question last week. Sorry that I didn't recognize. I just recognized it. You are trying to solve the example 7.3. Okay. I'm sorry. I want to show you a message like this. Okay. And in example 8.3, okay, you have a trouble to find the support direction at point B. Did you solve your problem or still continue? Buse? Are you here? We lost Buse, I think that. Okay, Buse, sorry. Okay, I saw your message. Okay, let's continue. Let's start with the trying to find the support direction at point B. This is related to static, but actually also it's a good practice. Also, you, in order to solve your problem completely, you have also enough knowledge to static and enough knowledge about the static course. Therefore, I can help you to make a practice for static subjects. First of all, let's start with the joint reaction. Let me 5 seconds. I forgot to close the door. Sorry that. Now you can see my whiteboard. I think that. Okay. I try to redraw the example 8.3. Okay. I want to just only draw the 3-body diagram. And I want to show the forces. On point A, we have a pin supported, therefore 2 joint reaction. I want to give a name like AY, AX. Okay. At point B, we have a roller support. Direction of the roller support is perpendicular to the roller, therefore it should be like make a like small angle. Okay, you can find the angle value. Okay, just also I want to add the external forces. In this straight line, we don't have any external forces. We have a distributed forces in this curved line. Therefore, I can also make a summation value. That's how we can obtain. We know we can find the total distance. This distance is, is the vertical distance is given 1.5. Okay. Horizontal distance is equal to 2. Therefore, this distance is equal to 2.5 meters. So, unit distribution is giving, where is the value? Is missing, I think that. It is, sorry, that is written in here, 50 kilonewton meter. Therefore, I'm sorry. Therefore, I multiply by, I need to write a little bit bigger, I think that 2.5 meter. This value is 50 times 2.5 is equal to, I can calculate this horizontal distance, 125 kilonewtons. Okay, this value is 125 kilonewtons. Also, I want to wait. Okay. Now I want to two options to find joint reaction B. Okay. I can, what is our equilibrium equation? We have a sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and sigma moment for any point is equal to 0. I am taking point A because I can eliminate two unknowns on this beam. Therefore, AX and AY moment caused by these two reactions is equal to 0. Just only one unknown remaining is reaction B. Therefore, I want to start with sigma MA is equal to 0. First of all, how can find, how I can find the moment? Its moment is equal to force times distance. What is the distance? Perpendicular distance. Okay. I have two options. Okay. First of all, I want to divide x and y component both forces. Okay. And try to calculate the moment on point A and find the reaction moment B. This is the first strategy. I don't like this. Okay. The second strategy is to find the perpendicular distance from this point to this point. Okay. Geometry. Okay. In the question, this part is 4 meters. Okay. Also, I want to remember. I write in there. Okay. Let's start with to find this angle. Just alpha. Okay. What is alpha? 3, 4, 5 from high school. You remember that? 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5. So sine alpha is equal to 0.6. Cosine alpha is equal to 0.8. Up to now, do you have any question? Buse or the other people? I think no. Okay. You don't have trouble. Okay. Also, I record. I don't have enough space, therefore I need to delete. Okay. Just I recorded in my mind. Okay. Okay. Let's start with. So first of all, I want to find the perpendicular distance from this force to this force. How I can find? Okay. I want to extend line. Okay. And also I want to extend like this. Okay. This should be perpendicular is 90 degrees. Okay. I said this angle is alpha. Okay. So how I can say, what about this angle? Is there any relationship between this angle with this angle? Do you have any idea? I think you can guess, but I can help you. You know, this angle is 90 minus alpha. Okay. This angle is alpha because this angle is 90. Okay. So this angle is 90 minus alpha. Okay. So this angle is also alpha. Okay. I'm using the geometry. Do you have any question for this?
No question.
Okay. Sorry that I'm writing so small. This 90 minus alpha, 90 minus alpha. I want to delete this part. Okay. Because I don't need that. Okay. So this angle is alpha. Okay. This length is 40. This direction is, this angle is 90 degrees. This is the perpendicular triangle. Okay. So this length is 40. So what about these length? You know, it's 4 times cosine alpha. What is the R cosine alpha? You remember that? 0.8. Therefore, 4 times 0.8 is equal to 3.2. Okay? This angle is alpha. We know the alpha from by using this triangle. Okay? Length is the sine. Therefore, this length is 3.2. So just only one length is remaining. Do we know this length? I think we know, because I want to go back to the question like this. Shape is more clear. You know, total distance is 2.5 meter. You know, to summation of these forces we accumulate in the middle. Therefore, this from this point to this point distance is 1.25. Who say you write this 0.75 if I made a mistake?
Hocam, yes, I wrote 0.75 because we need to take the middle of the distribution force.
Okay, you typed the 7.5, but 0.7.5 is the vertical middle. Just I am wondering that the middle of the beam, therefore, is length of the beam is 1.25. Sorry, 2.5 meter. Half of the length is 1.25. I can't write 0.75. Okay. If I wondering this distance, okay, vertical distance like this, okay, this distance is 0.75. You're sorry, you cannot see. Sorry that. Okay. So if I want to measure, okay, like this triangle, and if I wondering to measure this distance, okay, this distance is equal to 0.75, but I don't need this value. I need to measure this length, okay? Also, this length and this length is equal. Therefore, this length should be 1.25, okay? So, total distance is equal to 4.45 meter, okay? So, I found the vertical distance from to force 125 and 0.8, distance between 2 points, okay? Now I am wondering the point B2 for the vertical distance perpendicular point A to B, okay? It's also much more easier because I found 3.2. Also, this distance is also 1.25 meter. So total distance from this point to this point is equal to what? 1.25, 2.5, 3.2, 5.7 meter. Okay? This is the hardest thing, okay? Remaining calculation is much more easier than defining the distances, okay? I don't have enough space, therefore I need to delete this part. Do you have any question up to now? Okay. I need to delete this part. Okay. So maybe I can forget. I need to record like this: 4.45, 5.7. Don't forget this. Okay. Let's continue the formulation. Sigma MA, I want to take the counterclockwise direction as positive. It's equal to 0. I need to continue. I said AX and AY forces generate no force, therefore I don't need to write the moment of these forces. Okay. You know, 125 kilonewton, okay, rotates this beam like this direction is the clockwise direction. Therefore, I need to write the negative, okay. I need to write the force value 125 times the perpendicular distance 4.45. I can this part I can rewrite later. Okay. Then also we have a support tension B. We don't know the value, but I assume that up direction. When you assume an up direction, these force make a counterclockwise rotation. Therefore, I can write positive b times 2 distance, 5.7. So b is equal to 100. This is equal to 0. Okay. P is equal to 125 times 4.45 divided by 5.7. I don't have a calculator. Oh, I have a calculator. Sorry. I go just 125 times 4.45 divided by 5.7 is equal to 97.5877. So let's go back to your question. Which one is correct? Your calculation is correct or book result is correct? Buse. I found the book results. Okay. So we found 97.59. Yeah, like this. Okay. If I can show you, can you see? Like this. Okay, Buse, clear? Do you have any question? You can ask Turkish if you want. Okay, Buse, which strategy did you use? My strategy or different strategy? Or taking component both X and Y direction B? Which one?
Hocam ben komponentlerine ayırmıştım. Öyle yanlış çıkmış.
I can say in Turkey. Komponentlerine ayırınca risk artıyor Buse. Çünkü çok fazla değişken ortaya çıkıyor ya. Yani birleştirmede falan daha fazla hata çıkıyor. Tamam, belki bu geometrik olarak belki biraz zor gibi gelebilir. Bence zor değil bana göre. Ama burada dikkat ettin mi? Bak 4 işlemle çıkıyor çok rahat bir şekilde. Bu strateji uygulamanı tavsiye ederim. Tabii it's up to you yani. Bu şekilde. Okay. Geri kalanını çözersiniz zaten. Kitapta var. Sigma fx and by using sigma fx and fy we can find ax and ay. Okay. After finding joint reaction, we can take a section from any point. I don't know. I can't remember the point C. I think that I need to look at the question. Yeah, like this. Okay. Take a cross section. Okay. Then we can find the internal forces: moment, shear force, axial force. Okay. And also it's available in here. Okay. Also remaining part is available in the slides. Okay. Let's first of all I need to apologize arkadaşlar because my plan is trying to upload your upload videos related to chapter 9, okay, on Monday, but unfortunately I have some kind of the extra works in my department, so I have time just only yesterday evening like this. Okay, I finished preparing video, but I have just uploaded like 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes ago. Okay, sorry about that. First of all, I want to ask a question for you. Okay, if you say, hocam, first of all, we need to look at the video and try to learn the theorem, and then we can go as solve a question. I think I suggest you. Okay. If you say, hocam, maybe we can make one more example for new chapter. Okay. I can prepare some example like the mock exam like 2 years ago. I can try to solve this example right now. Which one do you prefer? Ben şey öneriyorum arkadaşlar. Konuya bir bakın, ondan sonra çözelim diye düşünüyorum. Sizin
Hocam
tercihiniz.
bence de first option daha iyi.
First option daha iyi. Zaten yaklaşık olarak da kaç dakika? Yani bayağı da durduk zaten. Sizin dersleriniz de olabilir, başka dersleriniz. Siz de şey yapmayalım. Take your time. Okay. 30 minutes olmuş zaten. Zaman çabuk geçiyor. Bir soru düşünün bakın. 4 minutes sürüyor. So, solution of the example takes so much time. This is a usual. Okay. So, do you have any extra question? Arkadaşlar.
No hocam.
No. Okay. Arkadaşlar, bu sorry that I realized question like when I entering this new team, I expected the team send me a message when you write the question in this platform. Maybe you can prefer to write a private message on Teams platform. When you write a private message, I can directly, Teams directly send me an email, okay? And I can enter the team platform and I can check your message. So that.
Okay, then it's not a problem. Thank you.
Also, bu sayede de herkes senin sorunu görüp çözme şansı oldu. Kolay bir soru değil bu arada. Zor bir şey. Hata yapma riski çok yüksekti. Gayet şey yapman, kendinde şey hissetmen. Ben şurada da sizin attendance listini alayım. Umut da gelmişken. Okay. So şu anda I can stop recording.